I wanted to make a quick video just to kind of go over the factoring the difference of squares. I had one in my last video, but I just wanted to do a few examples here for you real quick. So we're going to start with a really basic, and then I'll give a couple little harder ones. So if we had x squared minus 9, okay? The difference, that's meaning the subtraction part, all right? And squares is meaning squared, like x squared or 3 squared. That's what 9 is, right? So if we were to do this with our factoring by grouping, we could split this. Factors of 9 are 3 and 3. There's no middle terms, so we want them to combine to equal 0. So I'm going to make this one positive, this one negative. So if we split and we say x squared plus 3x minus 9, and I group. Here we have an x in common, I get x plus 3. Here I have a negative 3 in common, which leaves me with x plus 3. So together, we've got that x plus 3 and x minus 3. Factoring the difference of squares. Using the shortcut, we could have gotten there once we knew our factors, but we could also get there by factoring by grouping. But what happens if it's not just a simple 1x squared? We've got same approach, it just looks a little bit harder. So let's say we're going to have 4x squared minus 9. I'm just going to keep these numbers nice just for now, okay? Again, 4 times 9, we get 36. We got to split the 36, which is 6 and 6. We want it to equal 0, so 1 is positive, 1 is negative, and then I can factor by grouping.
Pardon for interruption. Faculty, there was a cell phone locked in the 3rd floor women's bathroom. Let us know if it's true. Thank you.
Nothing I can do about that. Got an announcement. Someone left their phone in the bathroom. Cool. So we group. Here we have a 2x in common, which leaves me with 2x plus 3. Here I have a negative 3 in common, and I get 2x plus 3. So together, I've got 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3. Notice the factors are the same, 2x, 2x, 3, and 3. The only thing difference is one is positive, one is negative. That's going to happen every time. So if you can remember that shortcut, you can use it, or we can always get there factoring by grouping. So one more example, just to emphasize the shortcut. If I had 16x squared minus 25, if I were going to do this factoring by grouping, I'd have to take 16 times 25, which I believe is 400. Feels right. Now I got to find the factors of 400 that'll equal 0. It's doable because it's just 20 and 20. One's positive, one's negative, factor by grouping. What multiplies to itself to equal 16x? That's 4x and 4x. What multiplies together to equal negative 25? That's 5 and negative 5. So my first factor is 4x plus 5, and my second factor is 4x minus 5. So you've got options there. You can factor by grouping, or just find those squares. 4x times 4x is 16x squared, so the square is 4x. So 4x, positive 5, negative 5, check. Works every time. Okay? Again, good luck.